afternoon, everyone. I am Lokman Ilmarim from Bachelor of Science in Agribusiness 1B. And this is my future career. And career is an agriculture is that have to face hardship, fatigue, and heat. It's not easy, but we have to face it for the dream. And I tell myself that I will be able to live no matter how tired and difficult. My future career as a future agriculturist is no matter how too hot or hard it is a plan, I know I have a destination because if I become a successful, I will be able to buy everything I want and I will be have a good family and I will able to live in good house and I will be able to buy what I need to do. And now and then as an agriculturist I will be improved even though it is difficult to become a agriculturist I can't afford for the dream.